Yeah, we're
Don't say we can't, oh, just don't say another word. These thoughts you've imagined aren't real, aren't adding up. You fetched your ideas from nowhere, all from another world. Your logic's impaired, your full picture is cropped. Cause we both know one day they're just gonna try again. Without doubt, might say if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, cause this ain't the end. We both know one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, cause this ain't the end.
got it. Move on!
One day it's just gonna try again. Without doubt, might say if all's gonna mend. We both know one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake,
Hit!
this ain't the end. Bright brain, you're so far off, oh, it's like you can't see ahead. These
Rebound!
mistakes you've caught don't make sense. Your plan's gonna flop. You keep raising diamonds without
Time to
cause.
relax.
All you feel is dread. My logic is fear. If it's pain, it's never gonna stop. Cause we both know that one day it's not gonna cry again. Without doubt, might say if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, 'cause this ain't the end.
You ready?
We both know one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, 'cause this ain't the end.
Right!
The sun's gonna rise
Penticton! Oh, I left that.
one day. They're just gonna try again. Without doubt, it's always say if all's gonna mend. We both know
We'll push forward to that front left
the
strength.
sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, 'cause this ain't the end.
Kyle's suppressed on the right. We're gonna move right instead. Like you guys in the trenches, we're shooting at him. Kyle, we got two moving up on the flank over here. Good. Back there. CJ, you're going to stay right with Kyle? Okay. Are we coming? Watch out! Flank left! Flank left! Flank left! Straight ahead left! There's one more. Right above you, to your left. Above you. On the left. Nice. Good shit. I'm shooting on the right. Game over!